Greetings to all of you. My name is Yashvardhan Parmar. I am from Godhra. Today, I am honored to stand before you and deliver a speech on one of the greatest personalities of modern India, Dr. Ambedkar. Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar was a social reformer, economist, and the father of Indian Constitution. He was born on 14 April 1891 in Mahu, in central provinces of British India. At present time, it is MP. In a low caste Mahar Dalits, untouchables. Now about his family. His father was Ramji Maloji Satpal and was a Subedar in the Indian Army, while his mother Bhimabai Sakpal was a housewife. He was 14th and the youngest of all his siblings. Now, as a student, Dr. Ambedkar faced a lot of discrimination, hardship. He was not allowed to drink water from a same source as an upper caste student, and he was also not allowed to sit on the same bench as they were. Despite facing such a discrimination, he was a brilliant student. His thirst for the knowledge was unquenchable. Dr. Ambedkar was an exceptional student who had a deep love for the learning. He had a photographic memory, and he could also memorize text quickly. He was an avid reader, and Babasaheb faced a vast range of books, including books on philosophy, economics, history, and law. After completing his primary education, Dr. Ambedkar pursued higher education at Elphinstone College in Bombay. He excelled his studies and he received several scholarships to pursue his higher education. He completed his graduation in economics and went to pursue a master's degree in the same subject. He was the first Indian to receive a doctorate in economics from the foreign university. Dr. Ambedkar's academic achievements were exceptional, and he was awarded a scholarship by the Baroda state government to study in a Columbian University, which is based in New York. He obtained a PhD in economics from Columbian University and went to study law at Gray's Inn in London. Dr. Ambedkar was a champion of rights and downstanded and the marginalized section of society. He worked tirelessly to eradicate the caste-based discrimination to promote the social justice and equality. He was a leading voice in the struggle for rights of Dalit, and he fought against the discrimination and injustice they found. Now, some of the significant social reforms initiated by Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar. First of all, there is education. Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar emphasized the impression of education for all, especially the Dalits, and worked to establish a school, colleges, and for the education. He believed that education was the key to upliftment of marginalized communities. Now, the Mahar Satyagraha. In 1927, Dr. Ambedkar organized the Mahar Satyagraha, demand the rights water to Dalits to use the public water that they don't have rights to drink from. That water is a very resource that every citizen have to drink. The movement was successful, and the government granted Dalits the rights to access water sources, including the public wells. Now we start ahead to Punapek. The Dr. Ambedkar led Dalit movement to demand the separate electorate for Dalits in British India Legislative Council. After the negotiation with Gandhi, Dr. Ambedkar agreed to Pune Pact, which resolved the seats for Dalits in general election. Now, Round Table Conference. He represented the Dalit community at Round Table Conference in London, 1930 to 1932. He demanded the separate electorates for Dalits. Now, some campaigns that Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar ran. Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar campaigns were forced the empowerment of Dalits and the marginalized community in India. His efforts led to significant social and political changes contained by the influence of Indian social and political landscape. Dr. Ambedkar played a pivotal role in drafting the Indian Constitution, which was adopted on November 26, 1946 and came into effect on January 26, 1950. It took 2 years, 11 months and 18 days to complete. Dr. Ambedkar is considered the architect of Indian Constitution, and the contribution to the drafting process were instrumental in shaping the Indian political and social landscape. and he was also the chairman of drafting committee of Constitution. Some of the features of Constitution that influenced by Dr. Ambedkar and the morals of Buddha, Gautam Buddha. Some are fundamental rights, directive principle of state policy, reservation policy, independent judiciary, federal structure. Dr. Ambedkar's vision for the Indian Constitution was rooted in the ideals of democracy, equality and social justice. Some vision of Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar on the lives that matters from Buddha. Dr. Ambedkar was impressed by the principle of Buddhism and saw it was the way empower the Dalit community. In 1956, he converted to Buddhism along with thousands of his followers in a mass conversion ceremony in Nagpur, India. This event is also known as Dhammachakra Paravartan Din or the Dharma Conversation. So friends and my dear elders, I would like to thank you.